They are youngsters like cockroaches. They don't get any employment, they don't have any place in profession, and they start attacking everyone.
If you're under 30 and you have been looking for a job, which 1 in 6 of our population currently is doing, the Chief Justice of India has something to say to you. He called you a cockroach from the Supreme Court bench on a live stream. Now remember, he's not a politician, he's not a Twitter troll, he is the head of Indian judiciary. Now here is what happened in the next 48 hours. One guy, a content creator named Abhijit Dipke, opened a website, called it the Cockroach Janta Party. Tagline: Voice of the lazy and unemployed. Eligibility to join: unemployed, chronically online, and ability to rant professionally. And guess what? 40,000 people registered. No office, no funding, just a URL and a grudge. But here is where it stops being funny, because within 2 days, the Cockroach Janata Party had a constitution, a 5-point manifesto, an election symbol, an anthem with over 1 lakh dues, and sitting MPs Mahua Mohitra, Kirti Azad publicly asking to join. RTI activist Anjali Bharadwaj kept adding policy clauses to the manifesto in real time. Full RTI accountability, no anonymous donations, no secret cockroach cares fund. I mean, users were submitting demands and the manifesto was updating live. A 20-year ban on defecting MPs, 50% on women's reservation, CBSE checking fees scrapped. And then, I'm not making this up, the cockroaches went and cleaned the Yamuna at Kalindi Kunj Ghat, one of the most polluted stretches of the river. They showed up with brooms and placards that said, "I am a cockroach." The people the Chief Justice said were attacking the system went and cleaned a river that decades of government schemes haven't. But seriously, wait, there is more, and I need you to hear why this matters. This did not come from nowhere. The anger was already there. NEET paper leaks, 15% youth unemployment, voter deletion, years of being told you are lazy, entitled, and chronically online. All of that was sitting in millions of phones waiting. The CGI did not create the anger, he just gave it a name. And one guy with one cloud account gave it a registration form. And that's what should terrify every political party in this country. Not that 40,000 people joined the joke, that the joke was better organized in a weekend than most parties are in a decade. That the cost of building this was 0 rupees, and that the raw material, millions of young, angry, digitally native Indians who feel invisible to every institution that's supposed to serve them, is not running out. It's growing every year by the lakhs. The CGI issued a clarification the next day. He said he was misquoted, he said he respects the youth of India and called them pillars of developed India. The CJP noted this clarification, but number of members kept increasing. But I want to end this video with just one question. Is this the Gen Z movement of India?